What's the meaning of birdcage? Birdcage. Birdcage.
Birdcage. Birdcage. A birdcage is a small enclosure used to house birds as pets or for ornamental purposes. It typically consists of a wire mesh cage with a door and a perch inside for the bird to rest on. The cage can be hung from a ceiling or placed on a stand. Birdcages have a long history dating back to ancient Egypt, and have been used for various purposes such as breeding, training, exhibiting, and transporting birds. While some people see birdcages as a symbol of captivity and cruelty, others view them as a means of providing a safe and comfortable environment for pet birds to live in.